Coming to the Academician of the Year Award 2021. The Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam Award for Academician of the Year 2021 is awarded by Delhi Gynecologist Forum to Dr. Jyotsna Suri. Dr. Jyotsna Suri is the Professor of Obstetrics and Gynae at VMC and Safdarjung Hospital. She is the founder in charge of the Critical Care in Obstetrics Unit at Safdarjung Hospital, which is a landmark and is one of its kind in India. She is the Vice President AOGD 2021-22 and National Corresponding Editor JOGI 2021-23. She has been the chairperson of Safe Motherhood Committee AOGD and Multidisciplinary Committee AOGD and editor of AOGD and NARCHI in the recent past. She is a faculty for National Board of Examination, IP University. She has contributed several chapters in textbooks of Obs and Gynae and edited and co-authored book Practical Approach to Critical Care in Obstetrics and FOXY Focus on Placental Disorders in January 2020. She has delivered more than 200 guest lectures in international, national and state conferences and conducted several critical care obstetrics workshops all over India. She has been awarded the C.S. Dawn Prize for the best paper in AICOG. Besides all these laurels, she has been associated as an investigator in several important projects of WHO and ICMR. She has been instrumental in preparing and conducting the critical care course of DGF and Safdarjung Hospital. Dr. Jyotsna is not only an academician par excellence, but an excellent human being. We wish her success in all her endeavors.
Yes, ma'am. Our 1 minute rule. So I don't really know what to say and how to say my deep gratitude to Dr. Sharda Jain, ma'am, that she has, given this honor to me. I really don't know whether I deserve it or not, but I am totally indebted to her for this, and that it is named after Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam. That is the second thing. So two heroes, I'm giving an award by the name of Dr. Abdul Kalam and by our hero. So, and also that I'm standing here with Dr. Alka Kriplani and Dr. Alpesh Gandhi along with Dr. Sangeeta and all, it's something really a dream for me. And in front of me, Dr. Fatima Mittal, she's my... I dedicate to Madam Pratima Mittal. Whatever I have achieved in my life, it's because of her only. So this is award for her only. Whatever I am, I truly believe it's only because of her, encouragement to me at every step in my life. So thank you so much.
I would like to add one thing. I have conducted 7 conferences, international conferences on critical care in obstetrics, and many workshops in all the AICOG since last 6-7 years, and so many publications. Dr. Jyotsna Suri is a permanent feature in all these conferences, all these workshops, and all the publications. Without her, even I cannot imagine the workshop or the conference.